If you saw the first part of this series, we had a lot of fun cutting these trees down, getting them loaded up into the trailer to make some manly shelves out of. It all seemed like a good idea at the time, but now I have this big mess of small, dirty logs I have to deal with, laying right here in my mill yard. Fortunately for all of you, you guys don't have to deal with these things. I do. I have to do all the work while you guys can just sit and watch. You guys may have somehow ended up with the better end of this deal. Now I need to get this pile of logs put on the mill and cut up so we can make some manly shelves out of them. For me to do all the camera work while I'm cutting up all these logs would just take too long. And if your attention span is anything like mine, you probably don't want to watch me do the whole thing. So we're going to put this in turbo mode and get this done. What is turbo mode? I don't know yet, but I'll figure it out. But it's going to be fast. I should warn you, I'm fast as lightning, yo. You better put on your Nikes, bro. Let's get to it. One of the problems with the LT15 is it doesn't come with a debarker, and it doesn't have the option for the debarker. This can be a little bit of a problem when we're dealing with logs that we drug through the dirt and they're covered in dirt. On logs like these ones, the bark peels off really easy and it takes the dirt off with it. That's because it's been dead for a couple of years and the bugs have been working under the bark, which loosens it up. For logs like this one, where the bark's just too tight, the fastest way I've found to clean these up is just to use an axe. Of course, you don't want to use your good sharp one. Most of the time, there's just a few spots that are dirty. It just takes a few minutes to clean the worst of it off. And once I get it on the mill, I just go over the spots where the blade's going to enter. Just make sure there's no dirty spots in that area. I make sure there's no major dirt on the other side too, but I don't think that side is quite as important. Out of that one small log, I got one good 2x6, one really, really, really good 2x6, a cracked 2x6, and a 2x6 with some wane in it. I also have this flitch that'll make a 1x4, but I'll save that for when I have some more to go with it. These two, one with the crack, one with the wane, these will be just perfect for an upcoming project where these will be just perfect for it. This one's been dead longer than the other one, so the bark just peels right off. Along with the dirt, then we'll be left with a nice clean log. Oh no, the inspector's here today. I don't have my hard hat on, I don't have my safety chaps on, I don't have my steel-toed boots. I am so busted. I left her a little snack over there. Hopefully bribery still works. She left. I think I got away with it. That was close. It's good to know old-fashioned bribery still works. Did you see how fast turbo mode was able to go through that deck of logs? I told you it'd be fast. If it looks like I might be wearing different clothes, if it looks like it may have rained since I went into turbo mode, or maybe it's even a day or two later than when I went into turbo mode, just ignore those little details. They never happened. Most of this is the lumber we got out of that pile of logs. Some of this we'll be using to make manly shelves. That video should be coming out soon. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. If you saw the pursed part, my first line of this video, I can't even get it out. Looks like the weather's different. If it looks like it may have rained since I started going into turbo mode.